So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. Okay, Uber has been cutting pay. This you?
Yeah. So this person said, I used to get $40 to $60 from LAX to Anaheim, which, guys, that's like an hour. Depends on traffic. With no traffic at all, I think it's like 40 or 45, but usually there's traffic. So yeah. Then he said, he or she said, now I just canceled trip for $23. Time to start looking for a normal job.
Yeah, go work at McDonald's if you're in a... Oh, no, she is in California. So, dear anonymous member, you now can go work at McDonald's and make 20 bucks an hour now. Go quit Uber and do this.
Yeah, and it's that they said Uber takes 50% now. And that they make $400 to $500 less a week now than they did before.
Yeah, man, I pretty much bailed. They've made it almost impossible. How does he know it's a man, though? Because it's anonymous.
I think they're just assuming.
Yeah, man, I pretty much bailed. They've made it almost impossible to drive in LA anymore if you are a normal tax-paying citizen. The algos keep base rides at around 17 to 19 bucks an hour these days. Exactly, Brian Harris. Go work at McDonald's, bro.
Yeah, you can make more than that, guaranteed.
Yeah, or Chick-fil-A or In-N-Out. I mean, let's just take a look. Top fast food restaurants in California. You can go work at any of these ones. Little Caesars, Round Table. Let's play a little game. Which restaurant would you want to work at? Oh, where are they?
Maybe like In-N-Out.
Jersey Mike's, yay or nay?
I mean, I'd say no to all of them.
Okay, well, you got to pick a couple.
Sure. I think it's fun to make sandwiches.
Wendy's?
No.
No, they remember the finger hole. They found a finger in the soup.
Oh.
Oh, what's this one? Round Table.
No.
A lot of grease. Too much grease. Little Caesars, nah. Too much grease. Del Taco, nah.
No.
El Pollo Loco.
Maybe.
Jamba Juice. Oh, that's a good one.
I would
20
do
bucks an hour at Jamba Juice? You think I don't know, is this considered fast food? I don't think so.
I don't know.
Baskin Robbins? Look at that person's finger. Holy moly. Like a couple extra joint there. Chipotle. Ooh. Got protein. KFC.
I wouldn't do KFC.
Panda Express, Pizza Hut, Burger King. Guys, all these places you can go work at for the most part and probably make 20 bucks an hour. They don't even have In-N-Out on here? Okay, I would probably work at In-N-Out or Chick-fil-A.
I would do In-N-Out over
Which is superior, In-N-Out or Chick-fil-A? You would or no?
I would, but okay, so Chick-fil-A, they got exposed for having like 52 different ingredients in their chicken.
Didn't they just change their ingredients?
Did they?
Yeah, like that was the whole controversy that they used to serve all organic chicken and then they just recently changed it.
Oh, I don't know. But anyways, I don't really eat there anymore just because of that.
Yeah.
In-N-Out's good. In-N-Out is like the healthiest fast food burger you can get.
Yeah, and you can have like you can just have like protein style burgers too if you
There's like no fillers in the meat and stuff.